Hi, this is Judge Dodell. Many people in our audience have been faced with credit issues. Owe too much, can't pay it, have to fight off collectors, collection agencies, lawyers, and the rest. And one of the things that you hear, one of the terms that you hear on a regular basis is something called a lien. It's spelled L-I-E-N. A lien basically ties up whatever the property is that's subject to the lien. For example, if there's a judgment against you, a creditor can file what's known as an abstract of judgment, which is a lien on your property. Meaning if you try to sell your property or even refinance it, you can't. Because the buyer or the lender wants to know that they're in first position, meaning if there's a default, they get paid first. So there's a lien that's put on that or any other property that they can ever get to. What do you do about it if you've paid off the debt that's the subject of the lien and they refuse to take the lien off of the record? Now, what happens is you have to file a lawsuit to clear title, or as some lawyers refer to it, to quiet title. Now, liens could be on personal property or real property. In fact, an attachment, which is a legal proceeding that the court issues a writ, a document, saying that your property is attached until there's a resolution of the lawsuit in which the subject is being discussed. And so that's a lien also. You need to find a way to keep your credit title clear, otherwise you're never going to refinance or be able to sell the property. What would happen, and what happens on a regular basis, is when you try to sell it and you've got a buyer, they are going to ask you to clear the title, meaning get rid of the lien. You need to talk to a lawyer about this. This is a legal proceeding. Collection lawyers are usually the best to deal with on these subject matters because it's pretty technical and almost all of it is statutory. So if you have any questions, I have some information on that in the show we have, and you can do that by going to my website, which is judgeherbdodell.us. Go to radio shows, click on it, and there's an index. So if you want to know about liens and credit and collections, just go to that particular show or read it in the book. There's a lot about collections in the book called From the Trench to the Bench, Navigating the Legal System and Finding a Spiritual Path Along the Way.